In this video, I'll show you how to use the TripIt app. Alright, so here we are inside TripIt, and what we want to do is just set up our first trip, and that is what I will be covering today. So you want to click on the blue plus icon on the bottom right, and that is going to bring us to add trip. Now, you want to put in your destination first, so you can just type in maybe the city, and then you can select it here. You want to put in your start date. Next up, you want to put in your end date. Give your trip a name, anything you like, and if you want to add a description, and when you're done on the top right, hit save. Now you'll see your trip on the home screen. Now if we click on our trip, we can add plans. Now you can forward all your plans to plans@tripit.com. That's the best way to get this done. And then you can add those corresponding plans as well by clicking on add plans. And here you can see all the different plans you can add. So let's use flight as an example. We'll put in our departure date, our airline, our flight number, and our confirmation. And now you'll see, because I didn't email my flight details, because obviously I don't have any, TripIt now gives me the option to manually input all of the detail information. And when you're done, just hit save. And you are going to do this for every single plan you have. This way you can keep things nice and organized within TripIt. And if you want to add more plans, just click on the top right here on these three dots, as well as if you want to invite people to plan the trip with you. So here you can see I can put in their email address, write a message. I can tick if they can view, edit, or if they can edit and they are traveling with me. And then I can hit send on the top right. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.